Imagine this, your little ones learning about money. Not with yawns, but with wide-eyed excitement. Picture them eagerly embracing the art of saving, spending, and sharing, not because they have to, but because they genuinely want to. We've got some proven methods that are as refreshing as a cool breeze on a scorching day. Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the Smart Finance Hub. Today, we've got an incredibly important topic to dive into. We're talking about something that every parent needs to know. Teaching your kids financial responsibility with these proven methods. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is it ever too early to start teaching kids about money? Well, spoiler alert, it's never too early. Whether you're a parent looking for fresh ideas or a soon-to-be parent preparing for the journey ahead, this video is your treasure chest of knowledge. We're about to uncover some tried and true methods that not only teach your kids the value of money, but also set them on a path towards financial success. So if you're ready to change your kids' financial future, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get started. And we're kicking things off by exploring the first step, which is all about understanding the value of money. Number 1. The value of money. You see, teaching kids about money isn't just about coins and bills. It's about instilling lifelong lessons. It's about showing them that money isn't just a tool. It's a reflection of our values and choices. So how do we do it? Well, it starts with open conversations. When your kids grasp that every chat about money is a chat about values, it empowers them to make informed decisions. It's not about overwhelming them with numbers. It's about helping them appreciate the effort it takes to earn, save, and spend wisely. It's about patience, perseverance, and priorities. Number 2. Start making them save. It's simple, really. Give your kids an allowance and tell them they can either save or spend it. But here's a twist, if they want to buy something special, they'll have to save up for it themselves. You know, the earlier they learn to save, the better they'll be with money. So whether it's through allowances, chores, or even a mini business, get those piggy banks ready. Saving money isn't just a habit, it's a life skill. Allowances are the first step, but why stop there? Encourage them to earn. Number 3. Encourage them to earn. So why should you encourage your kids to earn? Well, it's not just about the extra cash in their pockets. It's about instilling a strong work ethic and an entrepreneurial spirit from an early age. Whether it's tackling extra chores, finding a summer job, or even starting their mini business, there are endless ways to help them earn and learn. Plus, they'll learn to make decisions like, should I buy that $8 toy or put $8 towards new bike I've been eyeing? These skills will set them on a path to financial success and self-reliance. Number 4. Foster independence. Nurturing financial independence in your kids isn't just about giving them money lessons. It's equipping them with life skills. By allowing them to make their financial choices, like managing their allowances or earnings, you empower them to understand the real-world value of money. It's all about striking that balance between guidance and letting them learn from their decisions. When we encourage our kids to make choices, even if they sometimes stumble, they gain invaluable lessons in responsibility, accountability, and resourcefulness. So whether it's managing their savings, setting up their lemonade stand, or making spending decisions, fostering independence paves the way for lifelong financial wisdom. Number 5. The Save, Spend, Share model. So here's the deal. With the Save, Spend, Share model, you're giving your kids a hands-on lesson on financial responsibility that's both fun and enlightening. is like 3 lessons in one. First up, the save jar. This is where your kids stash away money for those big, exciting goals. Whether it's a dream toy, a bike, or a gadget, they're learning the art of setting aside money for the future. Next, we've got the spend jar. This is where they get to enjoy the fruits of their labor. They'll feel the thrill of making choices with their own money, which helps them understand the concept of budgeting and responsible spending. And finally, the share jar. Here, your kids learn about the joy of giving back. It's all about teaching them to be kind, generous souls who understand the importance of helping others in need. Number 6. Games and applications. You know, talking about finances can sometimes be a bit like eating your veggies. Necessary, but not always fun. But what if we told you there's a new way to make learning about money an absolute blast? Take apps for instance. Picture this. Your child's tracking their chore earnings on an app that's more colorful than a rainbow. They can watch their savings grow, set goals, and even simulate real-life financial scenarios. It's like having a financial coach right in their pockets. And who doesn't love a good old-fashioned board game night? Games like Monopoly or the Game of Life teach your kids about buying property, managing expenses, and making wise investments. Plus, it's quality family time in disguise. So whether it's a virtual piggy bank app or a board game extravaganza, using games and applications is an ingenious way to teach your kids about money while having a blast. It's like sneaking veggies into a delicious smoothie. They won't even notice they're learning. Number 7. Family participation. So what's family participation all about? It's not just about giving lectures. It's about involving your kids in real financial decisions right at home. Think of it as a hands-on interactive money school. The benefits? Oh, they're fantastic. By involving your kids in financial discussions and decisions, you're helping them understand the value of money in a practical way. Plus, they'll get a front row seat to see how you handle financial challenges and successes. Start small, and as they grow, give them more significant responsibilities. It's like a financial apprenticeship that sets them up for success when they handle their finances in the future. Number 8. Don't be afraid of failure. Failure isn't the end. It's a stepping stone to financial wisdom. You see, when we shield our kids from failure, we're actually doing them a disservice. Failure is like a financial boot camp, preparing them for life's money challenges. It teaches resilience, adaptability, and problem solving. When kids experience small financial failures, like overspending their allowance, it's a chance to discuss budgeting and consequences. It's these moments that help them develop smart money habits. So don't be afraid to let your kids stumble and fall financially. Embrace failure as a valuable teacher in their financial journey. Number 9. Teach your kids to budget. Budgeting isn't just about tracking dollars and cents. It's about instilling lifelong financial skills. By involving your kids in budgeting, you empower them to make informed choices about money. It's like giving them the keys to their financial future. Most importantly, teaching budgeting prepares your kids for real-life financial situations. They'll gain a practical understanding of income, expenses, and savings goals, setting them up for success in adulthood. Number 10. Lead by example. Kids are like sponges. They soak up everything they see, especially from their parents. So if you want to instill good money habits, start by showcasing them in your own life. Show them how you budget, save, and make wise spending choices. Let them see you making grocery lists, comparing prices, and explaining why you're choosing one product over another. Share your financial goals with them. like saving for a family vacation or a new gadget, and let them be a part of the journey. When you involve them in your financial decisions, they learn the value of money, how to prioritize spending, and the importance of setting goals. It's a hands-on, real-world lesson that goes a long way. And that's a wrap on today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed this eye-opening journey into teaching your kids financial responsibility with our proven methods. Remember, it's all about setting them up for a bright financial future. If you found these tips valuable, give us a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's your ticket to more financial wisdom and exciting content right here at the Smart Finance Hub. Got questions or want to share your experiences? Drop them in the comments section below and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep those piggy banks growing.